Hey guys, today's phrase is never mind. It's a phrase used to tell someone not to worry about something because it's not that important. For example, I'm sorry I lost the book you gave me. Never mind, I can easily buy a new one. So I'm letting the other person know by saying never mind that it's okay. I can just get a new one. Don't worry. Second example. Sorry that you didn't win the competition. Never mind, there's always next year. So I'm letting the other person know not to worry or feel bad. It doesn't matter. I'll have another chance next year. Now it's your turn to practice in the comments or in the Telegram talk group by creating some sentences using this word. Feel free to write or send an audio. And remember, enjoy your learning journey.